This is Jurassic G-Man. This is probably gonna be the first video I upload of the double upload, since I think my previous recording, which right now is planning to be Marvel Rivals, I'm pretty sure you couldn't hear me at all. If you can't, I will re-record that video, but for now, I'm gonna have this up. So today I'm gonna be testing out the new Trailer Chase 2 update. So I will only be showing footage of the new characters, or the new character, and the changes, like major. So Inkfell, he doesn't have any, so I'll just skip to when we get a monster that had changes, or okay, I kind of lied, because we got this map, which I personally haven't experienced. I know it came out during Valum update, yeah, but as I said, I didn't play it, so if it's new to me, you gotta watch it. I remember playing this in testing, and before any of the objectives were really made, and I like the set of objectives on this map. So that's a little Easter egg, I think. I remember taking a picture of something on like the green, on one of the hills. I like that though, crushing the ring boxes. I think that's pretty cool. And then there's this one, the wires. Oh yeah, we got perfectly aligned. But it is Springtrap, so you know, no new monster gameplay. I'm glad they've been nerfing Springtrap. I think they should just remove ventilation air. I don't know if they have. Probably didn't. But I never liked ventilation air. Even its current state of Is this guy going? Oh. I'm glad I wasn't being chased, or else I would probably be dead right now. I like the environment, and also he is not going axeless. I'd say, oh wait, I've already completed a set. I have not realized that I already completed a set. Come on, get me up. It's just me and this guy. It's just me. I'm not dealing with that. I'd say this is, as a survivor. Oh, that's just great. As a survivor, it's probably one of my favorite maps. As a monster, no, absolutely not. This map is horrid for a monster. Oh no. See, I'd never like this ability. I have no stamina. Flashbang! No. I tried. I tried my hardest. Just couldn't win. Whoa, look, I'm famous. Look how cool I am. I played during Halloween. Anyways, now I'm actually gonna we're gonna play next round. So I might as well just go to this lobby. Yeah, so he's one of the super annoying cases. I like this round. I still don't like it. I can't even buy the new skins, or the skins that Tinky Winky has. I'd say they're mid. I don't really like them. Or the legendaries. He has good skins, just the legendary skins I feel like are a little underwhelming. His gold and diamond are cool though. But yeah. I think I might be cooked. I was asking for him, and now I got him. And I'm also pretty much one shot, so that's nice. Since there's no items in this map, you know, I can't find a medkit and then magically revive myself. Revive? Wait, what the? Can't just magically get all that health back. Alright, so I thought someone picked it up. I don't even care. I'm running to this warp. You can't get me. Don't bone break me. Please don't do that. Oh, I'm right next. I was right next to it. Alright, now I just am one shot. I have to survive for I almost said 20 minutes. 2 minutes. Bone broken. Against this, I'm gonna stay with this guy. This guy, I trust him. I'm not gonna dead face, you know. I don't like those noises. You know, like those noises. So yeah, sitting at 1 HP is pretty cool. No, if I'm highlighted, that's really bad if I'm highlighted. I'm not taking damage, but I'm highlighted. I'm scared. Okay, I think someone got rid of it. I'm gonna conserve my stamina, because I don't need to finish. Oh, my friend is dead. My friend is... I'm not here. You don't know, you don't even know I'm alive. I have to do this for the last survivor. He's after me! Ugh. Again? I hit a wall. Ooh! I'm dead. Ouch. Alright. I think no matter what, I'm monster next. I hope this guy could live. Oh, he's highlighted. No, he's cooked. Oh, he's highlighted anyways, but... Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that free stun. And there he goes. R.I.P. Yeah, I feel like I get the references. Like it's supposed to reference the other Teletubbies. Other than this one, it's just... Unless it's a reference to something specific, it's just emo Tinky Winky Bullet. I think this is Dipsy, I think. I don't remember their names. But like, you know, they're the swamp when the yellow one, the original one, I think. Like, I get these references, but they're not all that good. I like Guardian the most. Guardian's good. Speaking of goated, played this map last time. I was Tinky Winky, so I like the animations. Alright. Best spot. Time for you to go tubby bye-bye. Don't you dare. Alright. What? Come here. Ooh, you need to get rid of custard. You need to get rid of custard. Come here. I'm gonna catch up to you, bro. And get out of here, bro. That person's probably gonna try to get rid of that tubby custard. If I had to guess. Come here! That's it. Come here! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you! Got him. I'd say this is the most violent kill animation. Anyways. Oh, I guess Blade reverted the thing. I think he said affection meter, actually. Yeah, it is affection. You're dead, buddy. You're gonna die, bro. Oh, we're doing this now. I will transform. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. I didn't knock him down. Just come here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Huh. Oh, come here. Get out of here. I have not been spamming the tubby custards, even though I really should. I haven't been. I placed like 2 at the beginning. Oh, placing this. No, go back here. I'm gonna scream at you until you come back here. Yeah, he's a fun monster. I just kind of suck at him. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, and I will see you later today. Have a good one, and be a good person. What do you have in store? One life away, we can't explore, but I don't want to get in the way no more, cause it's the type of feeling you can't ignore. So, this is me, while editing. I just want to give a quick explanation on why this video hasn't had any edits. And the reason for that is I'm just getting back into my flow. So this is very bare bones, testing new intro, new outro, and remembering how to do most things. Now the next video, which, sorry, not coming out the same day or night as I'm recording this, because I haven't even began it yet and it will take forever. But it's coming soon, likely tomorrow, so expect it. Yeah, expect it tomorrow. So yeah, just quick explanation on why this video was very bare bones. So have a good one.